Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Hey, welcome to the Morning Brew, second hour of this radio program. 11:22 is the time right now. Right about now. All right. And the time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Hey, their store hours, ha? Up until 8 p.m. na. Okay, yung store number 2. Okay? The one at the Manila Avenue Central Business District area of the Subic Bay Freeport. And do check out their ongoing promo ×2 on your Royal Privilege Card, RPC cards. Double the points, Twing Friday. Every Friday, they call it the Fresh Fridays promo. Whenever you purchase at the fresh section, of course, what's in the fresh section? All right, meats, poultries, fish, vegetables, breads. Yan, okay? Purchase at the fresh section every Friday and get to double your points. Points. Double the points. Sabi ng nanay ko na Bisaya, points. Pag nanonood kami ng basketball, sabi niya, 3 points. Parang gano'n. Double the points. Fridays. Oh, tama-tama. Bukas Friday, di ba? Alright. So, check it out. For both Store 1 and Store 2. Royal Duty Free. Check out their social media pages and the official website kung saan nakapost lagi ang catalog, the official catalog. www.royalsubic.com. Royal Duty Free. Okay? So, visit the stores now. Once again, the official website, www.royalsubic.com. Call them up 2523-2584 for inquiries. Okay? Time for today's holidays and observances. June 20. Wow, ang bilis ng araw. June 20 na. Malapit na tayo July. Okay? So, tomorrow, June 21, magaganap yung SBMA Blood Donation Program. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan. June 21, 12 noon to 7 p.m. at the Activity Center of the Harbor Point. Okay? Pero balik tayo sa holidays and observances for June 20. June 20 is World Refugee Day, an international observance. All right, organized every year, every 20th of June by the United Nations. Okay? To help raise awareness on the difficulties of dealing or coping up with refugees sa bawat bansa, no? Bawat bansa may mga refugee sila, no? So, it's a difficult task to handle, difficult thing to handle sa bawat government, lalo na kung yung gobyerno mahirap, no? So, that's why the UN helps in dealing with the refugees. Okay? And para na rin sa welfare ng mga displaced people, yung mga refugees nga mismo. Okay? And June 20 is also American Eagle Day. May kanta tungkol dyan eh. Fly like an eagle. Sino ba yung kumanta nun? I forgot. June 20 is also the global akala ko organism eh. Orgasm. Global Orgasm Day. Okay? Always on winter solstice and summer solstice. So, apparently, on these periods, the globe experiences orgasm. Yun ba yun? Well, I didn't make this up. It is what it is. Yeah. Okay, I'm just reading it. Okay, International Tennis Day. Yung mga mahilig sa tennis, no? Yung mga tennis player. Yan. Alam mo, ang masarap, you know what's the best thing about being a tennis player? When somebody tells you, ikaw, you're not a team player. Well, I'm a tennis player. Di ba? Best comeback ever. When somebody told you, when somebody tells you you're not a team player, well, I play tennis. And June 20 is also Recess at Work Day. Araw-araw naman may recess tayo, you know. There are jobs nga na anytime pwede kang mag-recess eh. The ones with no bossing, parang gano'n. Yung those kind of jobs. In the Western Hemisphere, summer solstice. Summer solstice has began. Okay? Tall Girl Appreciation Day also on June 20. Alright. Yan yung when I was young, yan yung isa sa mga pangarap kong mapangasawa, tall girl appreciation. So every day is like Tall Girl Appreciation Day for me. I wanna be with a tall girl para to end the cycle. My father is small, his mom is small, his brothers and sisters are small. So I want to end the cycle. I wanted a tall girl to marry, to be my wife, and para to end that cycle. But then again, I met Ruby Rose and everything changed. Na in love ng gusto. Kasi naging kaklase ko nung college eh. Ayun. So hindi rin siya tall girl. So the cycle continues. So yan, June 20, Tall Girl Appreciation Day. Naalala ko yung kanta ni napanood niyo ba yung Elvis and James? Diba? I think yung isa sa mga kanta doon is perfect song for this celebration, Tall Girl Appreciation Day. I wish we have that on the music library. I'm gonna check. Yung sa Elvis and James kasi may kinanta si James doon, si James James Dakoy-Koy, played by Rene Requestas. Yung the song that goes, ikaw ang aking love, babaeng matangkad. Yung Don't Be Cruel na, alam mo naman, pagka Joey De Leon brand of comedy, ganyan eh, known for that. Yung mga tinotodas na kanta. Tito Vic and Joey, as a matter of fact. Kaya idol yan, idol yan si Joey De Leon. Nakita niyo yung picture namin ni Joey De Leon. Kasama si Vic Soto, of course. And the poging DJ Eric Ison, aka DJ Elmo. We were there at TV5 a couple of months ago. Yeah, naka-banner picture sa Facebook ko. You guys just look it up. Okay, so moving on. Our next observance for today is also World Productivity Day. So let's all be productive. And if you're working, you should always be productive, di ba? Para the only way is up para to achieve success. All right? That's the best comeback to anybody pulling you down. Alam mo yon, yung may mga insecurity sa katawan, sinisira ka para sila yung umibabaw. Yeah, that's the best comeback. Don't say anything anymore. Just do what you do. Show them you're the best at what you guys do. Parang ganon. Ayan. Productivity. Alright? World Productivity Day, June 20th. Alright, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, June 20 birthday celebrants, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. June 20, 1984, Maricar Reyes was born. She is a Filipino actress. Alright? Si Maricar Reyes. Siya ba yung may naging indie film / video with Hayden ko? Or Maricar de Mesa? Maricar Reyes? Parehong Maricar no? I'm not sure. I'm gonna check. Pero isang Maricar yun di ba? Yung nagkaroon ng indie film aside from Katrina Halili with Hayden ko. Okay, next up, happy birthday also to actress Camille Prats. Alright, you guys remember ang TV days? Ang TV na, 4 p.m. na. Ayan, si Camille Prats. Yes, kasama siya doon. Okay, June 20, 1985. Next up, we have composer, record producer, musician, guitarist, Jerome Fontamillas. Alright. However, he is US-based. Okay, Filipino-US-based musician. Alright. And do you guys know, among his big achievements, accomplishments, in 2003, he has played the keyboards, the guitar instrument, as well as backing vocals in the band Switchfoot. Okay? Switchfoot is a big band. Yes. Next up, we have happy birthday also to Beverly, the singer. You guys remember Beverly, the singer? Yeah. Yung kumanta ng Everlasting Sky. There you go. All right. June 20, 1994. Next up, we have Nicole Kidman, the beautiful Nicole Kidman. She was born June 20, 1967. Turns 57 today. If you look at her, parang she's just in her, di ba? She turns 57 today. Pag tinignan mo siya, mukha lang 56. No, kidding aside, parang she's just in her 30s. Alam mo yun, yung beautiful white blonde woman in their 30s, ganon. Lionel Richie, June 20, 1949. Ito naman, yung boses naman ito, ang parang hindi tumatanda. His voice still sounds great. Still the same. The first time I heard him, I mean. Turned 75 today, Lionel Richie. Chino Moreno, the frontman for the band Deftones and Team Sleep. Okay? Metal singer and guitarist. Let me find a couple of Deftones songs here. Okay? And next up we have David Iacono. You probably remember him as the cast member of not the Netflix series Grand Army in the Social Distance, and he was also in HBO Max's The Flight Attendant. Okay, so he's hitting it big in the TV industry, huh? And actor comedian John Goodman turned 72 today. All right. Next up we have Christopher Mintz-Plasse. You probably remember him as one of the 1/3 of the dudes from Superbad. I so love that movie. Siya si McLovin, di ba? Nakalagay sa fake ID niya, McLovin. Alright. He was also in Kick-Ass, tsaka Role Models, and the movie Neighbors. Okay? So that's him. Christopher Mintz-Plasse. June 20, 1989 turns 35 today. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. June 20 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You guys, your turn. You tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up, huh? Birthday shout-outs. Let me take care of them for you. Okay? So for the meantime, here's one of today's birthday celebrants, Lionel Richie, celebrating his 75th birthday today. Grabe ha, 75th na. Ang ganda pa rin ng boses. Pero mukha lang 75 ha? So here's his song, The Only One is the title of this song. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.